Let us one example of control of HVDC transmission system. So problem that is the AC line voltage is 330 kV and with a load of 500 megawatt and power factor 0.78 at the inverter end. Calculate the AC line voltage, current and power factor at the rectifier end with mu equal to 15 degree. So this is the problem. How it will be solved? So solution that is at the inverter end line current, that will be total power 500 megawatt. So 500 into 10 to the 6 divided by line voltage, that is root 3 into 330 into power factor 0.78 and 330, that will be 10 to the minus 3. So that will be 1121.5 ampere. So the ID, that will be pi by root 6 into IL. So that will be 1438 ampere. So the VDL, that will be PDL by ID. So that is 500 into 10 to the power 3 by 1438. So that will be 347.705 kilovolt. So the rectifier end voltage, that is VDR, that will be VDL plus ID into R. So that will be equal to 347.7 plus 1438 into 10 to the power minus 3 into 3. So that will be equal to 352.014 kV. That will be the VDR. But VDR, that will be equal to 3 root 3 by pi VL cos 15 degree minus 3 by pi into ID XR. So the value will be 3 root 3 by pi. VDR, that will be 352. VL, that is to be calculated. Cos 15, that is the value of mu, minus 3 by pi, ID value, that is 1438 into 10 to the minus 3 into XR value, that is 58. So the VL, that will be equal to 331 kV. So that will be the line voltage, and here the IL, that is 330 into 10 to the power 3, and that is IL value. So the power output at rectifier, that is 352 into 1438 into 10 to the power minus 3. So that will be equal to 506.176 megawatt. That is the power output at the rectifier end. Since the voltage VL and IL are almost same, that is VL, that is equal to IL, that is almost same, that is 1121.5 ampere. That is earlier, in earlier calculation, that is 1121.5 ampere. So PAC, that will be equal to PDC. So PAC value, that is the rectifier end value. So that will be equal to 506.17. That will be equal to root 3 into 331 into 1121.5 into 10 to the power minus 3 into cos theta. That cos theta is the power factor. So the power factor cos theta, that will be equal to 0.87. That is calculated from the equation. So power factor, that will be at the rectifier end, power factor, that will be cos theta, that will be equal to 0.787. This is the power factor, this is the current, and this is the voltage. So it is almost, IL is almost same to the line current. So voltage is almost same with the current. So line current, that will be almost same. So here, since VL is almost same, so IL, that will be equal to 1121. So the finally AC line voltage, that is VL equal to 331 kV. Voltage, that is VL line voltage 331 kV, and current, that is IL, is almost same in the inverter end, that will be in rectifier end, that will be 1121.5 ampere. Since the voltage level is almost same, so current is almost same, that will be 1121.5 ampere, and the power factor, that will be calculated, that is 0.787. At the inverter end voltage, that is 330 volt, that is given in the question. So rectifier end voltage, that is 331 kV, that is almost same. So line current in inverter end, that is 1121.5, that is almost same in the rectifier end, that is IL 1121.5. Since the all rectifier end voltage and inverter end voltage are same, so line current will be nearly same, and the power factor will be like this. And let us one topic, what is the necessity of reversal of power through an HVDC link. So necessity of reversal of power through an HVDC link. That is the most important topic. So what will be the necessity? First point, that is normal operation of an interconnecting HVDC line in which power flow is scheduled in either forward or reverse direction. And number 2, that is sudden need of power for AC system at sending end due to deficit power generation and drop in frequency. And third one, fault on HVDC line pole during which the line is temporarily de-energized by changing over the rectifier to inverter. After a certain lapse of time, attempts are made of re-energize the line by changing the same to rectifier. This operation requires ability to each converter to operate as a rectifier or an inverter. So number 4 necessity, that is during frequency oscillation in AC system, the power flow through DC line is modulated to dampen the oscillation. So that is the 4 major necessity for power reversal through HVDC link. Thank you for watching the video.